Hello guys, welcome to my Advantech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix network discovery is turned off on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to turn on network discovery, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to click on start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. Here you need to select as category. After that you can share network and internet. Just click on this. Click on network and sharing center. After that you can share change advanced sharing setting. Just click on this. After that you can share private. You just need to select turn on network discovery under private and make sure that you have tick mark this option. After that you can share second option file and printer sharing. You need to turn on this option also, turn on file and printer sharing. After that just click on general or public current profile. You have to make sure that you have turned on this network discovery. Select this option. After that second option just select on turn on file and printer sharing. After selecting this both option, just close this window and restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix network discovery is turned off on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.